Welcome to Probability and Complementary Events. In this video, you will learn to describe the probability of an event and its complement. So let's get started. Today's essential vocabulary is complementary event. A complement of an event is the set of all the outcomes that are not included in the event. An event and its complement must add to 1 if we're using a decimal or fraction, or 100% if we're using a percent. So the example is when the weatherman gives us a forecast for 70% chance of rain, the complement would be the chance that it doesn't rain, which would end up being 30%, because 70% plus 30% equals 100%. So the event, it raining, and its complement, it not raining, have to add to 100%. Okay, so let's look at some examples. The probability on a coin of getting heads is 1/2. So the complement would be not heads, or not getting heads, or, and if you want to say, you could be getting tails on the coin. So that also has a probability of 1/2. Because the probability of not heads is going to be 1, the probability of minus the half, which equals a half. Okay. On a die, the probability of getting a 2 would be 1/6, because there's 1 2 out of 6 outcomes. So the complement of that is rolling a 1, 2, a 1, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6, or anything that is not a 2. So the probability of not getting a 2 would be 5/6, because there are 5 outcomes up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 6. Okay, and 5/6 not getting a 2, and 1/6 getting a 2 adds to our whole 6/6, or 1 whole. Okay, another example on a die, the probability of a number greater than 4. We could get a 5 or a 6, so that probability is 2/6. So the complement would be anything that's not a number greater than 4. So 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, there are 4 outcomes there that would work, so 4 out of 6, and 4 out of 6, and 2 out of 6 equal our whole. So getting a number greater than 4 and not getting a number greater than 4 add to 1 whole, or 100%. Okay, looking at our bag of marbles, the probability of getting a red would be 0, or 0%. The complement would be the probability of getting something that is not red, okay, which would include all 10 possible marbles up here, because all of them are not red. So it would be 10 out of 10, or 1 whole. Okay. The probability of getting a blue marble. Well, there's 3 blue marbles right here. So the probability of getting a blue marble is 3 out of 10, because there's 10 marbles in all. The complement to that event would be not getting a blue marble, so getting a green marble. Well, there are 7 green marbles out of 10. So the probability of that would be 7/10. Okay, the probability of getting not blue and blue equals 10/10, or 1 whole. Again, the main idea today is that an event, the probability of an event, and the probability of that event's complement must add to 1, or 100%.